Okay, keep going.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Babidi Edina. My birthday is very soon. It's on 28th of this month, August, and I'm going to be 19 years. And I'm so glad to have accomplished my high school. I finished high school last year, and this year, on August 30th, I'm joining the university, and I'm going at Uganda Christian University. I'm going to do Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication. And mass communication has three major skills. There is media, there is printing, which deals with writing, there is public relations. Public relations, like speaking on behalf of a company. And media is majorly working on a television or a TV or a radio. And I'll be glad after my graduation to be one of the great writers in Uganda. And I really appreciate all you're doing for us, giving us the tuition, giving us the school fees, all scholastic materials. And we are very glad to have Papa Scott, Mama Cassandra, Papa Gary, and the whole group with us. We had fun, we praised the Lord together, and how I wish you could also come and visit us. We shall be very grateful. We love you all and we appreciate you so much. Yeah, wait for the great writer in Uganda. Babidi Edina, may God bless you.
Very good, very good. Now, we're going to keep going. Now, I've counseled Dina that the way to become a good writer is to practice and practice and practice. Even though nobody's going to read it, or maybe she just sends it to Papa Scott, you have to write stories and write stories and write stories. But this is a little bit unfair, but I'm going to ask you to do something. Pretend that you are a radio broadcaster. You're on radio. And you're going to tell somebody in 1 minute what happened yesterday at Joseph's home. We had a very bad thing happen yesterday. So let's say you're the reporter. They've sent their best reporter, Dina, out to Joseph's home. She's talked to people. She knows now what happened. So she's going to tell you, the radio audience, what happened. What happened yesterday.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dina again to bring you the news of what happened at Joseph's home yesterday. Yesterday at around 3 in the afternoon, a certain crazy man came walking along the road. Our home, it's along the road, it's near to the road. So the crazy man came walking along the road. He was speaking words that were not connected. He was so crazy, speaking this and this, so no one understood him and no one gave him attention. Within something like 5 minutes, he saw us giving him the attention, and he came to our home, into our compound, and we all surrounded around him. He was speaking this and this, and we were not understanding some of the things. So it seemed like funny. Some of us were laughing. Others were like, what's happening to this man? But for him, he kept on talking. But after something like 30 minutes, the whole thing changed. Laughter turned into tears. He got a stick. He began chasing everybody at home. We all ran into the house and some people remained outside. A certain brave man remained outside fighting him. He wanted to stop him from hurting the people. So that crazy man got this man, he's called Michael, and beat him up. He got a very big stick and hit him on the head. So Michael fell down and the whole blood was flowing from his head. So after having him, Mama called us outside and we had the ropes to tie him around. And his dad came along and he carried him on a wheelbarrow and took him to an hospital. And very soon I think he'll be better. And that's all what happened yesterday.
So say, and reporting, Dina is reporting.
So
Tell us who, at the end of the radio broadcast, you say, this is Dina reporting from Joseph's home. Something like that.
This is Dina reporting from Joseph's home. May God bless you.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.